Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna drain and refill the coolant for this Toyota car. So make sure you're doing this in an open space and your car is not hot, it's cool before you open this cap. Next thing you need is coolant replace tool kits right here. I found this on Amazon. The link I put in description has a lot of kits for a lot of car models. I have a very popular Toyota car, so finding a fit to my car is not very hard. You just go and find the one fit for your car and make sure it's tight and sealed and fit perfectly with your car. Next thing we're gonna have to locate the drain plug. My car is located just below the fan. It has a valve right here and a little tube for the coolant to come out. So the kit came with the hose that just fit perfectly with my drainage right here. So I just have to connect this hole to the drainage, and I was able to drain the coolant to the hose wherever the container I want at the bottom of my car, so I don't have to worry about spilling everywhere. So as you can see, after I connect the hose and loosen the plug just enough for the coolant to come out slowly, as you can see right now. And when I'm done with the amount I want, I just tie the plug and remove the tube, and ready for the next part is refill. This time I only drain and fill 3 liters. That's why I mark a blue tab right there. Now I will use this Toyota coolant to refill. After filling up, I put a little extra right there and close everything. Now let's just start the car. Turn on the AC to heat maximum to have the radiator working. I also rev up my engine and let the car run about 10 minutes. You need to see this fan on and off a couple times and stop when the bubbles stop coming out. When finished, just lock this and pour the extra back in the bottle, and remember to fill the reservoir backup tank. And in the next couple days, just pay attention to the reservoir tank and refill if needed. Okay, that's it guys. It's very easy. Thank you for watching.